Hello guys, in this video I will be wrapping a text around the object to make it a nice effect. So in order to do this, first I will use quick selection tool to make a nice selection around the object. After making a selection, press Ctrl J or Command J to make a duplicate layer of it. Now take your cursor toward the layer, hold down Ctrl and click on this layer to make a selection. Go to filter, modify, expand. I will expand it by 26 pixels. Click OK. Go to pass, click on this option here. Now your selection has been converted into a path. Now take your type tool and click over here. Now type your text. Let me change its font. So I will finish all this typing. So here is the final result of this effect. This scene looks so cool. Thanks for watching guys.